Hi, I'm Brian. I'm the founder of Stalemate, and in today's intro video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about why I built Stalemate, how it works, which is a demo, and how to get started. The first thing that I figured out is that customer success is hard to nail. As the CEO of my last business, this is kind of how we felt every time a customer canceled. And despite putting a lot of effort into success and support, we were always just a bit surprised whenever a customer decided to cancel. I tried to dig into how to solve this problem of customer success. I realized that there are a lot of tools out there. So there's a lot of infrastructural tools like your chat and your ticketing and things like that. You have a lot of these we solve everything tools, but they do everything kind of poorly. And then there's my favorite group of tools, which are the data pipeline tools, which just pull all that information out, and then it's just kind of your problem to figure out what to do with all that information. As I started to talk to other founders and just random people on the internet about this issue, I realized that customer success has a couple of key pillars. Renewal calls, there's upsells, getting people to use the products, keeping bugs under control. But I realized that there was one thing that was more important than everything else, and that's having fresh customer relationships. Without fresh relationships, you don't get to have the renewal calls. You don't get to have the upsell calls. By the time you're having the conversation, it's already too late. And so while as business owners, we want to have these really great automations and blueprints and things like that, if there's not one place in the business that you can look to see which of our customers need our attention right now, you're not starting in the right place. So with that, that's why we built Stalemate. So let me give you a quick demo. So this is Stalemate. This is the dashboard, and you can see here instantly, we have our list of our most stale contacts, most stale companies. Already, if I don't show you anything else, we've already accomplished the brief of being able to show you instantly who are the most stale people that we need to reach out to today. Now, of course, there's more product than that. We can go through and see all of our contacts, see how many times we've reached out to them in the past, how long it's been, same thing for companies. I can go into each of the contacts and view more information about each of them. I can view that contact over in Hubspot. I can create engagements right here. Before I jump over to Hubspot, let me just show you a couple of the emails that we sent. So we send a Monday morning email to show you, here's our top 10 most stale contacts. Here's our top 10 most stale companies. And a lot of our customers over the beta period just worked out of these emails. They just saw who needed to be contacted and would jump in instantly and get to work on them. We also send a Friday email with a recap of what activities were accomplished, what did you achieve, are you moving in the right direction or the wrong direction. One other important thing that we've learned is that not that there's anybody that you don't care about, but from the perspective of customer success and knowing if they're stale, there are certain people in HubSpot that you don't need to report on. And so we've built out a bunch of filters to pull out some of those people that maybe you don't care as much about, and we're adding more of these filters all the time, just so you can focus on the right group of people at the right time. Finally, I'll show you over in HubSpot, we do have a couple of features. So Stalemate has a CRM card in HubSpot. Anytime you're looking at a contact, anytime you're looking at a company, you can see what their status is, how many times you've talked to them before, and when your last and next upcoming engagement with them is. We also have custom workflows. So in custom workflows, you can go through Stalemate and you can, based off of whatever trigger that you want, you can mark a contact as stale or as aging or as fresh based off of your parameters. So if that's enough and you're ready to give this a try, I hope you are. I know how frustrating it can be to have customers seemingly go through your fingers. So if you're ready to get on top of this and start going after customers, keep them retained, keep them happy, you can go to stalemate.co and click the big orange button here, or if you're watching this video in the Hubspot App Store, you can click install right from here.